Hey guys, привет! Welcome back to my channel and my series Russian Grammar. If you want to support my channel and get lessons in PDF format, join my Patreon. Today we are going to learn conditional mood with ЕСЛИ. At the end of the lesson we will practice a little. Let's get started. First, let me remind you what a conditional mood is. Conditional sentences indicate a condition. Without this condition, an action couldn't, can't, or will not be performed. Sentences in conditional mood consist of two parts, the main clause and the conditional clause. For example, if the weather is good, we will go hiking. The condition under which we will go hiking is good weather. We will go hiking is the main clause. If the weather is good, conditional clause. There are two types of conditional sentences. The first type is sentences with real condition, and the second, sentences with unreal condition. First, we will learn sentences of the first type. For example, the sentence, if the weather is good, we will go hiking. It is a sentence with real condition. The implementation of the condition depends only on fulfillment of one condition, the weather. And in Russian, this sentence sounds like «Если будет хорошая погода, мы пойдем в поход». Если будет хорошая погода, мы пойдем в поход. Pay attention that the verb in conditional clause is rendered in Russian by a verb in the future – будет. Let's read more examples. Если он придет вовремя, мы успеем на автобус. Если он придет вовремя, мы успеем на автобус. Under which condition we will catch the bus? If he comes in time. The verb придет is in the future tense. Я не смогу работать, если сейчас поем. Я не смогу работать, если сейчас поем. As you can see from this example, the main clause may precede the conditional. The verb поем is in future form. And the second type is sentences with unreal condition. The construction of such sentences is in a conditional clause если бы, and then past tense of the verb is followed. And in the main clause бы and past tense of the verb. For example, если бы была хорошая погода, мы бы пошли в поход. Если бы была хорошая погода, мы бы пошли в поход. It is clear that the situation described in a sentence is hypothetical. So, in Russian it is rendered by the conditional mood. Let's analyze the construction of this sentence. The first part is a conditional clause. After если бы, the verb была is in the past form. The present form is быть. The second part is the main clause. After бы, the verb пошли is in the past form. The present form is поехать. Let's read another example. Если бы он пришел вовремя, мы бы успели на автобус. Если бы он пришел вовремя, мы бы успели на автобус. This situation hasn't happened. We didn't catch the bus. So, in the conditional clause after если бы, the verb пришел is followed. The present form of the verb is приходить. And in the main clause after бы, the verb in past form успели is followed. The present form of the verb is успеть. In all sentences, бы indicates that the situation hasn't happened because the condition wasn't fulfilled. As you noticed, two parts of a sentence are separated by a comma. And let me give you a stable expression. If I were you. It is translated as если бы я был на твоем, вашем месте. Or на твоем, вашем месте. And let's read a sentence. На твоем месте я бы поговорил с ним. На твоем месте я бы поговорил с ним. Let's practice. Read a sentence and you will have 5 seconds to insert a verb in future tense if the condition is real, or in past tense if it's unreal. Let's get started. Если бы я знать, я бы сказал вам. And the right answer is знал, because бы indicates that the condition is unreal. Если бы я знал, я бы сказал вам. Well done. Next sentence. Если он меня пригласить, я пойду. The right answer is пригласит. Here is the future form is used because the condition is real. Если он меня пригласит, я пойду. Good. Next. Я бы помог вам, если бы вы меня попросить. And the answer is попросили. The condition is unreal. Я бы помог вам, если бы вы меня попросили. And let's read 2 more sentences. Если ребенок проснуться, он будет плакать. And the right answer is проснется. The condition is real. Если ребенок проснется, он будет плакать. And the last sentence. Если быть жарко, мы откроем окно. The answer is будет. The condition is real. Если будет жарко, мы откроем окно. Good job! Thanks for learning Russian with me. Спасибо. Пока.